Okay, Oscar, so how was your day?
Okay.
Yeah? What happened at school today?
Nothing.
Were there any girls?
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah, but I broke up with her.
What was her name?
Her name was Emily.
Emily?
And her last name was Miller.
Emily Miller.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So what about like you and Isabel? Did y'all play today?
Yeah, we did. We played dogs.
Dogs?
Secret agents. Yeah, secret agents.
That sounds like fun. Are you hungry? You had a long day. Would you like a snack?
Sure.
I've got some powdered donuts here. Does that sound good?
Yum.
Well, there you go. Enjoy those. I know how you love donuts. Oscar, calm yourself. My goodness. Don't you have any manners? Oh, good. Well, here, I have a napkin you can use as well. Oh, dear. You always get the giggles, I swear. I shouldn't give you sugar, should I? Have you been practicing your guitar?
Yeah, okay. Okay.
What?
Yeah, great game.
What?
A great game.
Dude, use your napkin. You got powdered sugar all over your face. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Okay.
I need a little piece of donut.
I think that's wonderful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Not yet.
Okay. I wish Yesenia would come over and say hello to everyone.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Is she coming up the stairs?
Hi.
Ah, there she is.
No.
All right, you guys, say hello to everybody.
Hi.
We're sending this to some people. Who do you want to say hi to?
Hi, Janet, Elizabeth, Vanessa, Alex, Junior, all of you there. Te quiero mucho.
What about you, Oscar? Anything?
Please. Good.